Are you too facing the issue where your Instagram is not letting you to make a new account? Then you're on the right video. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first step is to make sure that the username you choose is not already taken by another user. Here if it says that the username is already taken, then you can use different username for your new account. Well, the another reason the Instagram is not letting you to make a new account might be because you have already made too many accounts from the same email or your phone number. So if it's the case, you need to choose different email address or the phone number while making a new account. Now the next thing, you need to make sure that your internet connection is working properly or not. Instagram will not let you to make a new account if your internet connection is down. Now the next thing you need to check is whether the server of the application Instagram is down or not. You need to head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for downdetector.com. Head over to the very first site. Scroll down and search for Instagram. There you go. Here you can see that there are some spike in this line, which means they are having problem in their server. This might be also the reason you are not being able to make a new account. You can just go ahead and have more information about it. Now all you can do is wait for the Instagram to fix their server. Now the last thing you can do is head over to your Play Store or an App Store. Search for the application Instagram. You need to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. If your application is not updated, then it might be the reason you are facing some bugs. So just update it to the latest version and you'll be good to go. Well, this is it for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to fix Instagram not letting you to make a new account. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.